Family chief, ang galing ah! First, we add
Oil.
oil. That's olive oil from Lolo.
I
Why?
don't like the smell of it.
Why not? We're gonna cook sotanghon. Say sotanghon.
Sodahan. Sodahan.
Sotanghon. And we need the, what's that? Onion. What's this?
Onion.
What?
Onion.
And garlic. Put it here.
Garlic.
It's ready. Oh, I will put this one.
So when can I put it there?
I'll tell you when. Get that one.
It's hot. The smoke is hot.
That's why, just listen to me. Oh, put this. This is mushroom. Always. Okay.
It smells good.
That's good?
I like
Diba, ang galing ah. Don't touch it ah. High.
I'm never gonna.
That's not chili.
But look.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Oh, we're gonna put water.
Water.
Don't touch that.
Hey, where's the chicken go?
What's inside?
Is it molten?
Tell me what you see. What color?
I see yellow. I see green. I see orange.
And do you see?
Red.
It's because of the powder. Why are you laughing?
That's so funny.
That's so funny to you? It should be high. Yeah. Okay. More. Your hand should be high so you don't touch it. Yeah. You like it? Okay. What will you say to our what will you say to the other chief?
I like
You say
it. I do.
keep on watching our videos. Okay, keep on watching my daddy's show.
Keep on watching my daddy's show
And you?
and me.
Why? Okay, I think it's time to put this. Oh, you say this is how we cook sotanghon.
This is how we shut the
Okay. Okay, not too fast.
Thank you for watching.
Thank
See
you.
it for 90 years.
Yeah! Why 90 years? That's too long!